See if I can get away with that rush again. Anybody even do nothing the last time?
Eliminate the objective.
Stay away from my rush spot, bud.
Bomb acquired.
Launch fuel on my mark. Care package on standby.
Ooh, teammate, don't
One
shoot
enemy
me.
left. Handle it. Bomb plant in progress. Bomb is armed.
Oh, that was an enemy. I thought it was a teammate. Bitch ass nigga, he's in the house. Stop pushing so hard.
Keep
I
pushing.
thought that
That's
was a
3 in a
fucking
row.
teammate. That's why I let that nigga run fast. Let's set up camping, bomb. Just take the L. Two and three is crazy.